Hi everyone, this is Ashley from IntervalUp. Today we are doing 15-minute no repeat all standing abs workout. And here's our tiger. Say hi. She's like, what? So we have 15 different exercises that we're just gonna go through once. Each exercise will be 45 seconds of work followed by 15 seconds of break. Everything will be standing, so we don't need a mat. What we need today is just one heavy dumbbell. Of course, don't forget your water and your towel. All the movements will be low impact and all standing. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell on so you know when the next videos are uploaded. Okay guys, if you're ready, let's go and get started. 여러분 안녕하세요. 인터벌업의 애슐리입니다. 자, 오늘은 저와 함께 15분 동안 서서하는 복근 운동을 볼 건데요. 반복 없는 동작들입니다. 그래서 오늘은 총 15가지 운동을 한 세트만 해볼 거고요. 그리고 타이거도 안녕하세요. 그리고 다 서서 하는 동작들이니 매트는 따로 필요 없으십니다. 대신 오늘 필요하신 거는 무거운 아령, 덤벨 하나만 준비해 주시면 되고요. 그리고 드실 물과 땀닦을 타올 잊지 마시고요. 모든 운동은 45초 운동과 15초 휴식으로 이루어지고 뛰는 동작은 없습니다. 그리고 이 운동 영상을 즐기셨다면 좋아요와 구독 꼭 부탁드리고요. 눌러주시고요. 알람 설정도 꼭 잊지 말아주세요. 자, 그럼 여러분 준비되셨으면 시작해보러 갈까요? Okay, ready? Big arm circles. 3, 2, and 1. Reverse it. 3, 2, and 1. Hamstring curls. 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 kicks. 4 pairs. 3, 2, and 1. Swing your arms like side to side. Hip openers. 3, 2, and 1. She's like, I'm just gonna sit here and wait for you guys to finish. Hands on your shoulders. Rotate. 4, 3, 2, 1. Jog it out for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, let's go and get started. So first exercise, we are doing side bends. Grab your weights right here. 45 seconds. We're going to start with the left side. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Keep the back straight, shoulders even. Inhale, exhale up. You can have it here or have it on your waist, up to you. Good. Okay, next, before we do the other side, we're doing dumbbell swing. Right here. 45 seconds. One toes out to the side. Shoulders back and down. Here we go. Swing. Take a break. 3, side bend, right side. Whew. Here we go. we go.
No quiero nada, tú en mi habitación. No quiero nada, tú en mi habitación.
Okay, next one, number 7, balance chop, wood chop. Right here. She's like, I'm tired just looking at you guys. Here we go.
What you think we should do? Let's not begin. We're just flying high. We're not coming down. Come right up next to me. Step aside to side. I wanna sway.
Oops.
Yeah, we can dance the night away. Right.
Other side, number 8.
I'm tripping on it, feeling that it going away. I need you right next to me. Take the records to the city. Close your eyes and just play, and I'll be sway. And we just sway, and I'll be
Exhale, inhale.
and we just sway. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes
Opposite toe reach, number 10. Opposite toe reach. Okay, 11, side lunge to press up. Okay, side lunge to press up. Good. Right here. Oh wow. Okay. 12, other side. Okay. 13. Forward lunge with rotation. Alternate. Okay, next one, side lunge, knee to elbow. Weights are done. Left side first.
Sounds like a good place to start. Your feelings seem to be left in the dark. Defeated, my head's
Oh my god, with that single single jumping. Modify, you can tap your foot each time. Up to you.
Sounds like a good place to start. Your feelings seem to be left in the dark. Defeated, tired, screaming, what if you ask your heart? Sounds like a good place to start. Ooh, your heart.
And great job, everyone. Get water. Shake your arms out, legs out, shoulder roll out. 3, 2, 1. Ear to the shoulder, other side. Arms up, side to side. And slightly lean back. And then press up and down. Quad stretch right here. Switch. Heel down, toes up, hamstring, calf stretch. Switch. Plie. And then left over right. And switch. Let's finish with 3 deep breaths in and out. Take a deep breath in through your nose, out through your mouth. 2 more. 1 more time. And we are done for today. That was our 15-minute all-standing, no-repeat ab workout. Hope you all enjoy the workout. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any great workout ideas or suggestions, please don't forget to write them, share them in the comments below. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Drink your water, and I will see you next time. Bye.